Hello everyone, today we will see how to change your language settings to change your emails and your signing screens and the buttons inside your forms to your selected language. So click settings and then go to branding and select language. So click on this drop down arrow and you will be having various languages and select the desired language that you like. So I'm selecting French. So after selecting your language, click save and your language is updated successfully. So now we'll go and test it out. So click create and then create a PDF. So just follow the same steps like how you create a PDF. So after filling out all the details, click confirm and then add in the signature field and click send. Now we'll go and check our mail. So here we have received an invitation to sign the document. When I click this, you would be able to see that everything here is being translated to the French language, even the buttons and the details and the invitations as well. Click on this. The invitation to sign the PDF is also translated to your desired language. Even the buttons inside the PDF is also translated to your selected language. Whenever you want to know the English meaning for any particular word, all you have to do is just hover over your mouse above that letter and you will be able to see the English meaning for that. Now we'll go and check it inside our forms. So I had already created a form, so we'll go and check in that itself. So you can see that the button inside this form has been translated to the French language. Thank you.